Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how to remove the created user account in Windows 11 operating system. Click on search here, type settings, click on settings tab. Here click on accounts. Here we can see your Microsoft account, your info, email and accounts, sign in options and family and other users. Click on family and other users. Here you can see I have already created one account, test user account. This account doesn't have a administrator rights, so I am going to trying to delete this account. Click on remove option. Here it is asking delete account and data. Deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music and other files. In this, data has not been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC. It will be lost. Click on delete account and data. Now the created user account got removed from Windows 11 operating system. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video.